So bafethu umhla ka-4 February, the first episode of season 9 just started on Mzansi Magic of Uthando Nesthembu. Season 9. Oh my word. I don't know, man. I think on Mzansi Magic as a channel, this has to be the most successful reality show ekhona edlalayo kuMzansi Magic. Ngeke. 9 years. Omsele kubafika besamanula phayana bekusama early 40s if I'm not mistaken. And right now una 50, uzothi 51 kulonyaka. Sibabona abantu bekhula phambi kwethu, guys. Look, I'm going to touch on a few things that actually happened on the show. To those who don't know, Uthando Nesthembu, it's a show about Umnisa Umosa Mseleko, who stays on the south coast of KZN on amakhosikazi amane, and recently usanda kuthola unkosikazi wesihlanu. A lot of drama is happening bafethu, and from we have seen from the first go nje on the diary sessions, Umseleko uvela namakhosikazi akhe oqala vela naye uMacele, and they looked so happy. Uyabona ukuthi hayi la kujajuliwe la. Happy uMacele uyahleka ukuthi hayi si right. Ayikho into ekhona basathandana yonke into saw sharp. Yabo bamveza nabo bonke ama partners avela nabo, you know, avela no Mayeni. There's a bit of tension laphayana eyenzakalayo. I'm not quite sure what's that happening. Uma bembuza unjani ubaba vela khophozela bheke phansi, hayi umama la athi hayi ke uzongisheshisela uphendule ngoba kwabanye kwathi nofuqufuqu. I'm not understanding, yabo shothi namanje ayikakalungi into zabo. I mean, from what we have seen, to those who are following the show, i-uncut le edlala ngoDecember, which was more like unseen footages from the season 8 of the show. Ngiyayibona into yabo ukuthi ayayilungi. Same goes as futhi nabani nakuyena uMakhumalo baya confirm ukuthi isisame lapho esasime khona from the previous season. Nakuyena futhi nangala uMangwabe, isimo samseleko noMangwabe, it seems like kuyisimo esingasibi ngalo ndlela. I think they are getting back together. They have found one another some ways or the other. I think into yabo iya ngokuba ngconywana. Yabo uMakhwela ke awubandlini ustabandla yinyuza. Ucekeceke usa right. As we all know, if we've seen anything on social media, usanda kuba nomntwana, so ibukeka right into yabo, you know. And the directors, obviously, in the diary sessions, they pose questions towards the cast members of the show, which is the Mseleko family, or rather the head of the family Umseleko and amakhosikazi akhe. And one of the few questions about Umseleko, how he's been and how is he doing and what is the way forward nan. And he speaks of the nature of Umuzwa Mzumbe, like how everyone has left the house, there's no one occupying the space in Mzumbe. Uyachaza ukuthi uyindoda ehlukumezeke kakhulu, but also at the same time he's happy that uyawitnessa ukuthi if he was not to be here anymore, meaning if he was to cease to exist, then he knows what would actually happen to his legacy. Yeah, I understand that. Maybe some people will be happy, maybe some people won't even attend his funeral. Look, from what we have seen as well, and concerning the relationship namanye amakhosikazi akhe, who knows, maybe some would even be chanting izinto efanele ukuthi uyahamba inja. This is what he is saying, of which I don't think that might be possible. Yes, as couples we might have disagreements, but I don't think it will bring anyone joy ngokuthi ahambe emhlabeni. But this is what he thinks. He also touches on ukuthi amakhosikazi ahlala kephi, wachaza ukuthi okay, so with Umayeni doesn't live far from Umzumbe. uMakhumalo unomuzi wakhe eThekwini Sithabathaba leseni sibonayo, that is her house. Obviously uMacele Sea Park, and then mase kuba uMangwabe nawe unomuzi wakhe engakacaci kahle ke eyakhe uMakhwela if uzoza ekhaya elikhulu eMzumbe or naye unesithabathaba sakhe esimlindile. And then the diary sessions from these directors, it also went on ukukhuluma namakhosikazi. And what we first saw from uMacele ngelachaze ngayo, uchazele bandla ukuthi she hopes ukuthi this new season doesn't bring too much drama. She doesn't need drama. And on top of that, wachaza, and I mean, she became more elaborate in terms of the relationship status between herself and Umayeni. Has it changed? Has it improved? Or is it still the same? And It's better the way that it is. Ayikho into engalungiseka phakathi kwabo bobabili, so kuzohlala kunje ngendlela kuyiyona, right? And then mase kuba ukuthi ke amakhosikazi akhe akhulume ngawo bandla umseleko kube uMakhumalo. Ibhlungu la Makhumalo. I honestly thought ukuthi uMakhumalo will always be on his side lamseleko, but what we have seen so far akuhambi kahle ngoba uMakhumalo from the diary sessions khona into ekhuluma indaba yokuthi ayimphathanga kahle indaba. One of the things that actually engazange imphathe kahle that hurt her was the fact that of the chant or that singing or that phrase ayisho umseleko kudala esho ukuthi abahambayo ayihlalanga kahle kuMakhumalo leyo nto leyo, you know, abahambayo society incenga ayihlalanga kahle leyo nto. And from umseleko ngendlela achaza ngayo uyasho ukuthi uMakhumalo angeke aze achaze asho ukuthi ngabe basathandana or not yini, ngoba uyachaza bandla uthando lwakhe analo ngamakhosikazi akhe ukuthi luhle kangakanani. Uyasho ukuthi hayi bandla umacela uyangithanda, uma ngoba uyangithanda, uma yeni is not quite sure, is not make sure is she here because uyangithanda or is she here because of the kids. We just don't know. Usiyakazi ukuthi kwenzakalani lapho. Uyasho ukuthi hayi uMakhwela bandla uyangithanda, so he is sure ukuthi uyathandwa, kwabanye akanayo sure, but akekho akushilo ngomuntu ukuthi usibamba akangithandi. Kuwukuthi like any other situation othola ukuthi kuyaxatshanwa or akubonwa ngasolinye, you tend to doubt uthando lomuntu, but not necessarily come to the confirmation or the conclusion ukuthi they don't love you. You understand? Ileyo nto ayishilo. But ke naye uMakhumalo ngokusho kwakhe ema-diary sessions ukuthi hayi kusayindlela okuyiyona uswaphatheka kabuhlungu ngendlela kwenzeka ngayo izinto. We do not know how long is she gonna be like that. It's only the first episode. More is gonna be revealed. Umangwabe bandla omunye ke loyo ochaze enye into. I honestly thought when I look at season 6, 7 and 8, uMangwabe has been the first person to actually stand up to Umusa and say, you know what, if you continue ngale mission yakho to number 5, I'm out the door. Uyena nje umuntu oqala wakhona indaba ukuthi uyahamba. And I did not see her reaching season 9 esakusemndenini or enza ishow. But ke from ukuchaza kwakhe bandla uyasho ukuthi no, wakhuluma nomndeni nabantu abathembayo and bam-advise otherwise, that's why esala. Okwesibili okwamenza ukuthi lento ngoba khona abantu abangawona umndeni ngomseleko, but they had a bit of umlomo nembono ngomshado wakhe nomseleko ukuthi kumele ume kanjani. So she wanted to prove those people wrong. I don't know why. Why would one prove people wrong abangawona nomndeni? I understand. But anyways, the third reason was ukugula kwamseleko. She is still part of the Mseleko family or part of the Mseleko household because ngenxa yokugula. So uyasho ukuthi if she had decided that she wants to leave Umseleko while he is sick, it would have been like, I am leaving him while he's down. And that's what it would have looked like to the public or maybe to the rest of the family. So she decided, you know what, I'm gonna stay. uMangwabe bandla umuntu obekade ephatheka kabuhlungu. I believe uMangwabe umseleka amthembisa ukuthi look, akekho ozongena emva kwakho uwe umagcina. You understand? So iyakhuluma iyaqhamuka lapha inkulumo yokuthi ufuna ukuhamba emndenini ngoba ubona sengathi kuphuleka isithembiso. Oh, hey bafethu, uyazini. Sithini sesho sesingisi, a leopard doesn't change its spots, sekhuluma into kanje. Like le ndoda inamakhosikazi amaningi. And uma uzofika wena uzoba unumber 3. As there's quite a small chance ukuthi wena ngeke uzolana noma uzoba number 4 noma uzoba number 5. Hayi. Inquwa mgomo yakhe lo muntu lento le. Umangwabe badla ngiyam understand uzocasukile, but you are just fighting the inevitable and the nature of this person. This is how he is, and this is what you have married yourself into. In fact, bonke mina bengazi uMangwabe ngaze ahambe. It was just nje ukusho. Naye futhi usisi umama la umayeni angaba soshabeni abhizi laphana ekhama orange asoshabeni ukhulekile usekhaya kanjani, but uyazi naye ukuthi yabona umsele kuwa ukhulekile, uyazi ukuthi labantu bala abala nje. But ke in all of that usikhombisile bandla ingane yakhe uMakhwela. Oh, hayi ingane yaze yafana ke bandla ke nodadewabo uSne. Hayi amehlo amehlo yabona le ngane is ngathini, there's a dose of everyone on her. Yazi ubona kancane usine, ubona uphumelelo kancane, ubona umnini kancane, yabona khona izinto ezibonayo ukuthi okay ngiyababona ingane leyo kodwa yakhona kaMseleko, without a doubt ingane yakhona kaMseleko. Hayi bandla ibuke i-health i-right, uma usifana nabo bandla odadewabo nabafowabo, oh number one sifuna ukuyibona iyaphambili into yakhe uMakhwela officially abo umama wakhona kaMseleko, ngoba okwamanje angakasazi ne-status. Mhlawumbe ngangitshela abafethu ni-comment ningitshela ukuthi mhlawumbe usayini usawumlobokazi ngoba eloboliwe, noma sekwalotshelwa kwaqeda mhlawumbe kwambeza useyingoduso. Ithini into? I would like to actually know. Ngiyazi ukuthi akakambezo, shuthi usawumlobokazi, kuyacaca. Look, I'm just touching on a few things that happened on the first episode. There's quite a lot had happened in those 20 minutes. But what we have come to understand is that kusafana akekho oxolela omunye ngaphandle kwaMangwabeko, yena osabuyile, but naye futhi ubuye ngokwesho ukuthi hayi angazi ukuthi uyangithanda nobaba. Uma usangithanda it's good. Uma uzangithandi it's fine. Anyways, I'm gonna make another video again as time progresses. I'll see ukuthi nini, but the show was lovely bafethu. Thando Nesithembu, 4th of February 2026, Mzansi Magic idlalile. So bona kusasa izodlala yini? Is it gonna play twice a week? I'm not sure. I don't know. I hope it plays twice a week. I really do. They continue from season 8. Baqhubeka nayo yonke leyo nto leyo ukuthi badlale kabili ngeviki. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for coming through to my channel, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. Press that button, subscribe button, that bell, konzokwathi noma notification, guys. Share the videos. Thubela abangani bakho ukuthi kunangani ukuthi iwani ngayonke lento lena. You know, more videos are coming through. Thank you so much for coming through. Thank you for the support.